Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting XML files to Sql scripts. Let me show you. I have a XML on my computer right now, and it has kind of like a record structure. It's like root element, and then record element, and then specific fields element. And I want to convert this XML into Sql script with create table with these fields like state name, state code, region, subregion, and every row inserted into this table with all data. Basically, I can show you. I have a different application. I can open it with XML. It's Xml Table Viewer. You can download it from my website. It's free app. It's showing XML in a table way. So basically, I'm gonna convert this XML data from the XML into Sql script and put all data into this table. In order to do this, I will download application from my website. This is my website. I will link on this website. Click on to find application. Click on search. Type XML to Sql, and I need this one, XML apps. I'll click on it, click on XML to Sql, and click on download button to start downloading process. I will be recording more videos on converting XML files into different formats and using different applications for XML files. If you're interested in more videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will wait until archive with application will be downloaded on my computer and click on downloaded archive. To open it, double click on the Messiah inside the application and click on more info on the screen. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes on final screen and click on finish. And you can see application has been installed to my computer. Have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now let's close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. On step 1, we will select XML file. I'll click on this button to select XML, navigate to my documents where I have states XML. Let's sort it by name. And it's called states XML, this one. I'll just click open. Click on next step. In this step, I will have to select which SQL database I'd like to use, because every database has a different types, and there are some specific for different databases. For example, I want SQL Server. I can select this one. If I want to select MySQL or a SQLite, I can do that. Now, here, it's asking me which columns I would like to select for Sql script. Now, XML can be different. XML can have different amount of different fields, and some fields I don't want to convert into SQL, just like some specific data fields. So here I can click on select all to select all of them, or just select like 3 of them and click on next step. On final step, I can preview my SQL. You can see it creates table states, and it's at all 3 fields, because we selected 3 fields. 1, primary key. Primary key is very important for SQL database because it's useful for identifying records, and it's nice to have. So this is why I selected it on step 2 options. Now you can see all data is inserted. I just click on save result to save SQL file. It's asking me for name and location. This name and location is okay. Just click save. And you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I can open it in Notepad. Right click, open with Notepad, just to show you what is inside. Now inside is like create table statement and insert data. When I run this SQL script on server or send to my DBA to run it, I will have a new table states with these fields in it and this data. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.